Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. So we are back on the preface portion of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is. So हमने we can say we have got the introduction part. एक second, we can check it out. Setting the scene part on the previous lectures, we have covered it in two parts, and this time we will be covering the preface portion of Bhagavad Gita. So Sharpad says here that originally I wrote Bhagavad Gita as it is in the form in which it is presented now. So Sharupad wrote the Bhagavad Gita from with his hands in the form which it is presented now. So अभी कोई पुस्तक पढ़ रहा हो, उसके हाथ में पुस्तक हो, so Sharupad, we have to consider that Sharupad wrote it like this only, and right now we have opened the Veda base, so like that. When this book was first published, the original manuscript was unfortunately cut short to less than 400 pages. So Sharupad उसकी पूरी लीला है. So when Sharupad really wrote the commentary on Bhagavad Gita, the purpose of Bhagavad Gita, then at that time Bhagavad Gita was very big. बहुत मतलब it was in volumes. बट अभी के लोगों में मतलब इतना बड़ा बुक्स पढ़ने का किसी में दम नहीं है. तो Sharupad हैड इट्स मतलब उसको कट शॉर्ट करना पड़ा, छोटा ओरिजिनल मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट में से उसको थोड़ा सा छोटा करना पड़ा, सो पीपल कैन रीड, they can digest it. So without illustrations and without explanations for most of the original verses of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, in all of my other books, Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Ishopanishad, etc., the system is that I give the original verse its English transliteration, word for word Sanskrit English equivalents, translations, and purports. So every verse is like that. We get the that Devanagari verse. Hare Krishna. We get the Devanagari verse. That verse is transcribed in English, and then we get word to word translation of every word of the original verse, and then we get a translation, full translation as it is, and then we get the purport, that how to apply that in our life. This makes the book very authentic and scholarly, and makes the meaning self evident. So yes, so in this book we don't have to मतलब in Srimad Bhagavad Gita or anything, Srimad Bhagavatam or any devotional book, we don't have to, हमारा हमको खुद का कॉन्कॉक्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि ये वर्ड्स को हम ऐसे ऐसे लगा पाए तो हम ऐसा, वो एक मायावादी का सोच हो गया कि वी कैन कॉन्कॉक्ट आवर ओन मीनिंग्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड्स ऑफ Srila Prabhupada, the words of Krishna. So no, we don't have to do in that form, but to accept Bhagavad Gita, to accept Krishna's word as it is, as he has said. Sharupad says that he was not very happy. I was not very happy. Therefore, when I considerably increased, I requested by many scholars and devotees to present the book in its original form. So, yes, Sharupad was not very happy. Therefore, when I had to minimize my original manuscript, when Sharupad had to मिनिमाइज, जो उनका ओरिजिनल मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट था उसमें से यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि 400 पेजेस वर कट. बट लेटर ऑन when the demand for Bhagavad Gita as it is considerably increased, so obviously when there is something, मतलब भौतिक पुस्तक में भी ऐसा हो रहा है तो आध्यात्मिक पुस्तक की तो अलग ही बात है. सो कंसिडरेबली इंक्रीज, जब डिमांड इंक्रीज हुआ, Sharupad was requested by many scholars and devotees to present the book in its original form. So जो भगवद गीता जो प्रभुपाद ने कट शॉर्ट किया था उसको ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में लाने के लिए बहुत सारे भक्तों ने Sharupad के पास अनुरोध किया कि ऐसा कीजिए. Thus, the present attempt is to offer the original manuscript of this great book of knowledge with full parampara explanation in order to establish the Krishna consciousness movement more soundly and progressively. So right now the we are reading whatever we are reading right now, it is the original manuscript of Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita, not some cut short version. So Sripad says, Our Krishna consciousness movement is genuine, historically authorized, natural, transcendental due to its being based on Bhagavad Gita as it is. So we have to understand is that our Krishna consciousness movement is standing on a base, and that base is Bhagavad Gita as it is, the words of Krishna. That's why it is genuine, historically authorized, natural, and transcendental. Our movement. It is gradually becoming the most popular movement in the entire world. So yes, after unfortunately when Shalupad went, the progress is very slowed down. But I'm sure that the prediction of Mahaprabhu that नगर नगर में मेरा नाम का उच्चारण होगा, that will nagar nagar means every town and village there will be chanting of my holy names. So that is possible, that will happen in future. So we have to accept it, especially amongst the younger generation. Yes, I was listening a lecture where Amol Prabhu says that कभी कभी मतलब हम देखते हैं कि पीपल कम मतलब वो बूढ़े बूढ़े लोग आते हैं, दे सिट दे मतलब उनको कुछ है ही नहीं, लेना देना नहीं है, बस प्रसाद लेने का है और चला जाना है. सो दे सीट एवरीवेयर, यहाँ पे वहाँ पे जहाँ पे जाए. बट इन this Krishna consciousness movement, first time this has happened that the younger generation, the youth are joining much in this movement. So some day Sharpad was questioned that why are youth, these younger people are joining your movement. So Sharpad asked them that when at what age do you go to university. So obviously इससे हमको ये पता चलता है that as we go to university to take knowledge, to accept the knowledge in young age, that's how अब हमारा मूड होना चाहिए to accept the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita or any spiritual literature. We have to accept it as when we are young, when we can understand, जब हमारे आंखों में रोशनी हो, घुटन में ग्रीज हो. ये अमुक प्रभु का लैंग्वेज है. हरे कृष्णा. It is becoming more and more interesting to older generation also. यहाँ पे मान रखा प्रभुपाद. Older gentlemen are becoming interested so much so that the fathers and grandfathers of my disciples are encouraging us by becoming life members of our great society. So yes, फॉर्चुनेट था तब शरूपात के लिए, बट हमारे यहाँ पे अनफॉर्चुनेट है बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे तो नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर रहे. ऐसा होता तो अच्छा रहता. The International Society for Krishna Consciousness in Los Angeles, many fathers and mothers used to come to see me to express their feelings of gratitude for my leading the Krishna consciousness movement throughout the entire world. So fathers and mothers. So obviously Sharpad is talking about the Brahmachari disciples, and obviously Gresta disciples also. Their father and mother used to come to Sharpad and show Sharpad their feelings of gratitude. Some of them said that it is greatly fortunate for the Americans that I have started the Krishna consciousness movement in America. But actually, the original father of this movement is Lord Krishna himself. Since it was started a very long time ago, but is coming down to human society by disciplic succession. If I have any credit in this connection, it does not belong to me personally, but it is due to my eternal spiritual master. His divine grace, Om Vishnupad Paramhams Parivrajakacarya Ashtarotter Shri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj Prabhupada. So Sharpad is showing us his great, deep, intense humility. Sharpad, we all know that Sharpad's he's ocean of mercy. He Krishna. When we say the Pranam mantra of Krishna, Hey Krishna, Karuna Sindhu, Deen Bandhu Jagatpate. But yes, Krishna came. He came 5,000 years ago. He also came 500 years ago to take people back home, back to God. But who came for us? Who came for us? Shagrupad. He, by his extensive, intense, deepest merciful nature, he even after suffering 2 heart attacks, even being in the very old age of 66 years, he went to America. He suffered 40 years of backlashes. 40 years of backlashes. Even after coming to America, there was no one to accept him right forward. But still, Sharupad, only by his merciful nature, he he gave this medicine. He forced this medicine to us, and right now we are really on the path. We have got something which will make us come out of this repeated cycle of birth and death. If personally I have any credit in this matter, it is only that I have tried to present Bhagavad Gita as it is, without any adulteration. Before my presentation of Bhagavad Gita as it is, almost all English editions of Bhagavad Gita were introduced to fulfill someone's personal ambition. So we have discussed this on the first lecture of Bhagavad Gita. That was many editions are there. हमने एक ज़रा भी डिस्कस किया था श्रीपाद के साथ, that because everyone except Shabrupada and those acharyas, Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, Vishnu Swami, so थे जो आचार्य, जो प्रामाणिक आचार्य हमारे परंपरा में है, जो चार परंपरा में से है, उन्होंने लिखा है, उन्होंने उनका ऑथेंटिक है. बट ऑल अदर फ्रॉम गीता एडल्टरेटेड बाय गांधी, बाय Radhakrishnan, many those European so-called scholars, they have also commented on Bhagavad Gita, but they have to fulfill their personal ambition कि मुझे ये दिखाना है, मेरा मत स्थापित हो ये भगवद गीता से, ऐसा चीज़ है. नो वन वांटेड टू शो to give the real message of Krishna to us. But Sharpad says, but our attempt in presenting Bhagavad Gita as it is to present the mission of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Our business is to present the will of Krishna, that of any mundane speculator like the politicians, philosopher or scientist, for they have very little knowledge of Krishna despite all their other knowledge. When Krishna says man mana mand bhava bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru, etc., we, unlike the so-called scholars, do not say that Krishna and his inner spirit are different. People say that all of this is said by the Brahma, that Brahma in Krishna, that Brahma is speaking, no, Krishna is not speaking, so we have to take shelter of that Brahma. But here Krishna says man mana mad man mana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. He says sarva dharman parityaja mam ekam sharanam vraja. मैं कोई किसी को बोलूँ कि मेरे साथ आओ, तो ऐसा मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे अंदर कोई भ्रम है उसके साथ आओ. नो, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरे साथ आओ. तो we don't have to, we never have to, हमको कभी भी जिंदगी में we should never concoct things and apply it. हमारा हमको स्पेकुलेशन नहीं करना चाहिए. वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट एज इट इज वॉट एवर आवर आचार्यस हैव सेड, वॉट एवर शिला प्रभुपाद हैज गिवन हिज कमेंट्री ऑन, इट इज द परम सत्य. साधु की बात परम पूज्य हिज डिवाइन ग्रेस गौर गोविंद स्वामी महाराज, ही यूज्ड टू सेड दैट जो वाक्य साधु का वाक्य है, अभी वो मैं श्लोक भूल रहा हूँ, ही यूज्ड टू कमेंट ऑन फ्रॉम चैतन्य भागवत और चैतन्य चरितामृत, दैट साधुर वाक्य सत्य, ऐसा कुछ बोलते थे. मेरा कलयुगी बुद्धि भूल गया. सो सो लाइक दैट we do not say that Krishna and his inner spirit are different. So वही चीज हुआ, Krishna is absolute and there is no difference between Krishna's name, Krishna's form, Krishna's qualities, Krishna's pastimes, etc. This absolute position of Krishna is difficult to understand for any person who is not a devotee of Krishna in the system of parampara, disciplic succession. So Krishna is easy to understand. What is Krishna? How is Krishna's pastime, name, form, qualities, pastime, everything? Krishna's form is same, not different. मैं बोल रहा हूँ इतनी बार कृष्णा 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 बोला, it is not different from that Golok Vrindavan Chandra Krishna. But because I am not a devotee of Krishna, because I have no aspiration of going back to Godhead, that's why I am not feeling this. But still, by the mercy of Prabhupada, by the mercy of all the parampara acharyas, I am continuing in this path. Generally, the so called scholars, politicians, philosophers, and swamis, without perfect knowledge of Krishna, try to banish or kill Krishna when writing commentary on Bhagavad Gita. So, I am understanding that with how much कितना शर्वपाद को हृदय में दर्द हुआ होगा ये सब कुछ लिखते हो, ये सब कुछ देखते हो कि क्या चल रहा है ये जगत में. Such unauthorized commentary upon Bhagavad Gita is known as मायावाद भाष्य. सो यस, मायावाद भाष्य सुनिए है सर्वनाश. आगे आएगा शायद. एंड लॉर्ड चैतन्य हैज वार्नड अस अबाउट दिस अनऑथोराइज्ड मैन. Lord Chaitanya clearly says that anyone who tries to understand Bhagavad Gita from the Mayavadi point of view will commit a great blunder. The result of such a blunder will be that the misguided student of Bhagavad Gita will certainly be bewildered on the path of spiritual guidance and will not be able to go back home, back to Godhead. So that was it. अभी हमने आधा कवर किया है फ्रॉम द प्रीफेस पोर्शन ऑफ भगवद गीता. वी विल बी कवरिंग द another half portion tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.